struggling with uncertainty due to the threat of U.S. tariffs. I stumbled upon Tariff-Proof Your Life during an online search. The focus on proactive financial strategies caught my attention immediately. It provided insights to boost my income with their recommended system, designed to protect myself from economic uncertainties. The Master Affiliate Profits platform offered structured, ethical marketing training. It was clear this would be perfect for a beginner and ideal for someone like myself. I learned to specialize in one niche, boosting my marketing efficiency. Earning in US dollars helped buffer me against local currency fluctuations. Ethical marketing principles built trust and boosted my confidence that this was a powerful, effective program to offset tariff uncertainty. Access to webinars and resources made navigating the concept easier. Are you ready to protect your financial future against tariffs? Go to tariffproof.com, subscribe to the free 10-part video overview, and tariff-proof your life today.